Can you imagine that in 2022, I made a total of £25,317.19 from YouTube AdSense alone. Now, what is this amount in your currency? For Kenyans, this is equivalent to 4.7 million Kenya shillings. The best part is some of the videos I created in that year were literally faceless videos. I didn't record myself talking, I just did a voiceover and added stock footage. I was still able to monetize those videos and earn from them on YouTube. What I didn't know at the time is that I could create such videos with zero effort using InVideo. Now, I remember spending so much time downloading stock footage, scripting, and then recording the voiceovers, and spend even more time putting everything together. Now I can create ready videos with my own voice using InVideo AI. Yes, InVideo AI clones your voice and creates ready to publish videos for you. All you have to do is record a 30-second clip of you speaking, type your video idea, and voila, you're ready to grow your YouTube channel and start making money on YouTube. So this is how you do it. First, I'm going to clone my own voice. I will click on clone your voice and I will add a voice, and they see it has to be at least 30 seconds, and you have to say I give InVideo AI the permission to use my voice, and you can pause between sentences normally and all that. So I have a voice recording somewhere here. This one, Tess voice over sample. Let's upload it. So the AI actually transcribes what you've said in your recording, and they have to verify that you've actually given permission and all that. Then done. I had uploaded like 2 voiceovers. I just removed one of them so I could upload this. So now I have 2 voiceover samples to use. My voice is now ready to use. As you can see, I have renamed it to Tess Voice 2 because I have Tess Voice 1. So I'm gonna click on use, and as you can see from the prompt, it's already set. They're gonna use my voice as the voiceover. So I'll just have to write a video idea here. What do I want to create about? So create a 2-minute YouTube video about the advantages of being financially independent as a woman. That is what I want InVideo to create. Now that everything is set, I'm just gonna click on generate a video, and InVideo is now working. Remember that all you have to do is record at least a 30-second clip of you saying something and then upload it. Remember, you have to actually give InVideo permission to use that. You have to say that this is my voice and I give InVideo permission to use it. Once you upload, you're ready to use. Our video is now ready. Let's play it.
Ever pondered the significance of financial independence for women? It's a powerful tool that emboldens women, amplifying their confidence. It's the key that unlocks the door to a world of personal choice.
Can you guys hear my voice? I feel like it's my voice, but more refined. It now sounds more rounded. They've actually given me some sort of an American accent, but it sounds really good. Listen again.
This is unshackled by any constraints. Financial independence isn't just about money, it's about freedom and empowerment. Let this Tess.
What do you guys think? Do you think it sounds like me? I feel like it's not 100% accurate, but it does sound like a refined me.
Let's delve into the numbers and see how women are faring in the financial world. Globally, the number of financially independent women is on an upward trajectory. The rise in women entrepreneurs is remarkable, and so is the surge of women in
I love it. Let's do this. Let's add subtitles. You know, the beauty of InVideo, all you have to do is type what you need. Please add subtitles. Generate. All right, let's see.
Ever pondered the significance of financial independence for women? It's a powerful tool that emboldens women, amplifying their confidence. It's the key that unlocks the door to a world of personal choices, unshackled by any constraints.
You guys know I am very passionate about financial independence, financial freedom, especially for us women. I usually say that when it comes to making money, you have to balance working hard and working smart. And I feel like this is one of the ways you can work smart. Imagine if you could tap into this and start making £25,000 per year from YouTube alone. And this is assuming you're not just doing YouTube, you have other sources of income. How financially free would you be? Anyway, let's do something else with this video by asking InVideo to add more stock footage of Black women. Yes, let's add more stock footage of Black women to the scene. Please do that. Let's see.
Ever pondered the significance of financial independence for women? It's a powerful tool that emboldens women, amplifying their confidence. It's the key that unlocks the door to a world of personal choices, unshackled by any constraints. Financial independence isn't just about money, it's about freedom and empowerment.
On top of that, can we ask InVideo to just add a joke at the beginning of the video? Okay, here we go.
Welcome to our channel where we delve into serious matters with a dash of humor. Let's kick things off with a little joke. Why don't we tell secrets in a bank? Because it's full of tellers. Pause for laughter. Now that we've lightened the mood, let's get...
Yeah, that's really funny. Do you know that you can also tell InVideo to kind of change this voice over? Let's see. Change the voice to Tess voice. Remember, in this video I had used my second voice over, but now I want it to change to the first voice. Let's see. Alright, let's give Tess a chance to narrate this empowering story. I mean, it's my voice, the first one and the second one, but I just want to show you that once InVideo has generated the video, you can actually ask InVideo to change the voice to maybe your voice or another voice. Yeah, you can do that just by entering a simple text command. So the voice has changed. I'm not gonna play this for long because it's the same voice.
And welcome to our channel where we delve into serious matters with a dash of humor.
You can actually tell that it's my voice. Remember that on top of you being able to change or to edit your video by just typing what you need here, you can also edit from this point. This is where you can upload your own media if you have stock footage, if you have specific stock footage, or you want to add maybe your own b-roll, maybe b-roll of yourself. You can upload here and edit from this point. You can even reduce the duration of certain stock footage or certain scenes and all that. You can edit the script if you want something removed, like maybe I want to remove this pause for laughter because I think it's weird. You can easily do that. Just edit the script from this point. Change the words, change the statements, add a joke, add CTA, call to action, and apply changes. As you can see, since we've made a change to the script, it's actually changing it. Change script, the humor in finance, blah blah blah. If you're not interested in YouTube long form videos, you can use InVideo to create an Instagram reel with your own voice, or a TikTok video with your own voice, or a YouTube short, and the process is the same. If we go back, you'll see that the script has now been changed. Once you're happy with the video InVideo has created for you and you've changed whatever you want to change, you've edited as much as you want, the next step is to export. All you have to do is click on export video and remember to choose no watermarks, no InVideo branding, and choose or select the resolution you want. Now for you to download this video without watermarks, you have to have a Plus subscription. I'm gonna click on continue and the video is now being rendered. I find InVideo to be very interesting. Can you even see the title that it generated for my video? Empowerment Unleashed, the perks of financial independence for women. I mean, how powerful. You don't even have to think of a title. I mean, of course, you have to kind of do a bit of optimizing and all that, but if you do not want to spend time thinking of titles and all that, just go with what InVideo has suggested for you. The video has been rendered. I'm gonna click on download. The next step is to upload this video to your YouTube channel. There it is, uploading now. The final product. This is how the video looks like on YouTube.
Welcome to our channel where we delve into serious matters with a dash of humor. Let's kick things off with a little joke. Why don't we tell...
As you can see, no watermarks. The video is high quality. The title is okay. All you have to do is just optimize the video. Write a good video description. Maybe change the title if you want to. Remember to add tags and just make sure the video is ready. And create a thumbnail, a good thumbnail that will attract viewers, and you're ready to go. Creating videos and making money on YouTube doesn't have to be hard. Ideally, the smartest play when it comes to making money online is choosing the most low effort way to do it. If you don't want to show your face on video, keep recording voiceovers or spend hours editing videos, but still want to create personalized videos and monetize your channel, this is your solution. You can get started with InVideo AI for free, but you will need to upgrade your plan to create videos in your own voice and download them without watermarks. Now, InVideo paid plans start at $20 per month, which gives you access to millions of royalty-free stock footage, your own voiceover, and of course, no watermarks. And you also get access to the InVideo AI app premium features, so you can create videos on the go. Considering how much work it takes to script, record, and edit videos, I'd say that $20 is honestly very affordable. Trust me, I have spent a lot of time and a lot of money in my content creation process. And if you can just avoid all the hassle for $20 a month, it's a good deal. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Tess Ogamba. I will see you in the next one.